Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So today I want to bring you another great product that I just picked up that I think you guys will really like if you don't already have one. This one's not that expensive, so if you're on a tight budget, still want a great feature installed in your car, this will be the product for you. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I just got. So I did a video on one of these a while back, but I just picked up another one. Check this out. It's the wireless Apple CarPlay adapter. Now this one, they all basically do the same thing. It just turns your wired connection into wireless. So it's a basic plug and play. You plug it in and then you'll have wireless CarPlay. You don't have to attach your phone anymore. Really easy to do. And you get pretty much the same thing with any of them. So you get the adapter here, and then you get the plugs. What's nice about this is they give you these two different plugs here. So if you have a USB-C, you have one of those, like this is the USB here, and here's a USB-C. So it'll connect to whatever connection your car has for the wired CarPlay. You just got to plug that one into it. So basically you just plug it into your car, and then you plug the other one into the adapter. And then you pair your phone with it, and now you got wireless CarPlay. This one comes in at $29.95 on Amazon, so it's a great value, does the job, works great. So let me go ahead and hook it up here, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So in the TLX here, here's the Apple CarPlay plug that you just plug into. Really simple. Okay, then you're going to turn the car on. And basically all you're going to do is pair it with your phone. So the phone will come up and it'll ask, do you want to pair it? And you say yes. And then it'll always be paired. You don't have to do that every time. Just the initial setup. So see right here, I'm going to push on the right side of it to say enable Apple CarPlay, because it knows the device was detected. So you want to enable that. Okay, so just enable it to allow your car to connect with it. And then you give it a second. You see how Apple CarPlay is grayed out right here? Okay, that'll pop up. And then you'll be good to go. Takes a second here. Okay, now it says successfully connected, the box. Okay, so that's basically all there is to it. Now it's connected to your phone. You have CarPlay. There you go. It brings it up. It's seamless. Like I said, this is one of the best investments I've picked up, because I always wanted, the wireless CarPlay, and I'm surprised that it wasn't in my car when I bought it, because it was a redesign. But this is all you have. It's not in the way. It's tucked in the cubby here. And depending on what vehicle you're using it in, it's going to be a little different. But it'll work for any vehicle that has wired CarPlay. So all it has to do is have the wired CarPlay. You hook this up, it'll turn into wireless, just like that. And like I said, this one's $29.95. You can't go wrong with it. I'd highly recommend getting yourself one. If you have the Honda Accord, the 10th gen, before I spend $100-something for the dealer to, give you wireless CarPlay, I would just get one of these. It works the same exact way. I've been using mine for over a year now, with no issues at all. It works great. It pairs up automatically. You don't have to do this every single time. Once you do it, you're good to go. And there you go. Now it's connected to the CarPlay. It's good. You shut your car off, it's fine. So if you guys are looking for that, a little bit more connectivity, so you don't have to keep taking your phone out and plugging it in, all that kind of stuff, you can just leave it in your pocket and still utilize your vehicle's infotainment system, I would highly recommend picking one of these up. Again, check the link in the description for this one. It's $29.95. You can't go wrong with that. It's a really cheap thing to be able to, not have to finagle with your phone anymore. And I like it. Like I said, it just makes it seamless. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. I appreciate all your guys' feedback. I really do. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.